In this video, we will learn to create reverse shell in Python for Linux. You can use reverse shell if you want to get back a shell on Linux, or perhaps you're writing a malicious script and you want to return a shell from a Linux target. On Kali Linux, I will open an editor gedit. First, I need to import socket and then import subprocess module, then import OS module. And now I will create a new IPv4 stream socket and save it in a sock. Need to call socket function of socket module and pass in socket.af inet and socket.sock stream. Now need to call socket function connect to make a connection to a host at the specified IP address and port. I will use a local host address just for testing on local machine. Sock.connect. And our IP address, and then the port number, the machine you want to connect to. This code, we need to start our shell and we need to handle input, output, and error. We need the input, output, and error pipes to talk to our socket. We will call our OS modules function do and with the values 0 through 2 representing our input, output, and standard error. So, OS dup 2 and then sock dot file and 0 value for our stdin, and then os dot dup 2 and the same sock dot file number and value of 1 for our standard out std out, and third will be the same for just copy from here and change it the loss value to 2 for our standard error. And now need to call our shell bin sh with I option by calling our subprocess modules call method. It returns as an object we save in our proc variable. And now need to start. Then sub process and call and pass in bin sh with the I option. Now I need to save this. I'll name it reverse shell shell.py and set it in our root directory. Now we also need to start a listener. I will use netcat and see minus L option with minus P, and here we need to give our port on which the reverse shell will connect back to us. So just start the listener, and I will open another terminal. New tab. Over here, I'm going to start our reverse shell. Python reverse shell dot py. Let's see if we get the connection. I will run a command, who am I? So this means we are connected. It's giving us a root, and now I will execute listing command ls. I'm showing that. So this our reverse shell work. To learn more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us to bring us